Claymore, Claymore, Claymore! Inferno Creek is a bilateral exercise between the Royal Army of Oman and the United States Army. The terrain here allows us to actually conduct platoon-sized dismounted operations with our Omani partners, and where we can practice really what I guess we call interoperability, which is how do we actually do operations together. There are a lot of small things that you don't think about. How do we talk on radios together? How do we bring in air together? How do we do fires together? And we've been able to work on some of those things. We've done a comms check.
It's a sharing event. We wouldn't come into an exercise and expect that we know everything, because we don't. Every soldier that participated in this exercise has increased their knowledge of how to be a soldier and how to be a soldier in a different environment. Our goal is to reach out to as many of our partners and work together with them to build partner capacity, to increase the training proficiency of soldiers that fall under Task Force Spartan and the partners that we train with. We have our own TTPs, tactics, techniques, and procedures. They have similar ones, but they're not exactly the same. And so when we bring them together as partners and we sweat together and we do training exercises like this, we all win.
An air assault operation. There's a combined operation that was not planned during the planning conferences, but then when we got here, as we built the partnerships, as the partnership strengthens and we built trust, we decided that this would be something that we could do in addition to what we had planned.
Let's roll.
Exceeded my expectations anyway, as far as that expectation of how is this gonna play out as a culminating event. A lot of effort went into it, a lot of success. So I feel very, very proud of the soldiers that participated from all sides and the airmen as well.